Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I will show you how you can access BIOS and boot menu for an Asus Vivobook 15. Okay, let's begin. So open up the laptop and then tap onto the power button and then keep tapping the escape key just like this. So guys, just to recap, the escape button. So now you can see boot menu and you can see enter setup, which is the BIOS. So let me go and select BIOS, enter setup. So this is how the BIOS looks like. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. So just remember guys, the escape key.